guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. It's all about my top 5 moisturizers, and I've been using these moisturizers since a very long time. I even have purchased second bottle of these moisturizers. I loved them so much. So I wanted to make a video of top 5 moisturizers so that you guys can pick some best products out there in the market. So yeah, I'm just here to help you out. And for today's video, there are some key points which I want to mention before starting out the video, that all of these products give a very matte, a very non-oily, non-greasy look or non-greasy finish. All of these are cruelty free. There is no animal derived ingredient, and all of these are free from all harmful chemicals. All of these do not contain any paraben, any sulfate or any silicone. And now let's begin with the first moisturizer, which is from this brand called Simple. So it's the Simple Protecting Light Moisturizer, and it justifies the name very correctly. It says it is protecting and light moisturizer. So how it is protecting? So it has SPF 15 with UVA and UVB protection. So this is how it will protect your skin. So you don't need to separately apply sunscreen over your face. You can just simply use this moisturizer and you are good to go out in the sun. And also it says that it is a light moisturizer, which is also true. It's extremely lightweight, and also it does not have any artificial perfume, no artificial color. It does not have any alcohol in it. This will suit each and every skin type. This does not, even if you have oily skin, this will not make your face look greasy or oily, because I'm someone जिससे बिल्कुल भी हल्का सा भी ऑयल अपने फेस पे बर्दाश्त नहीं होता है. So I really look out for moisturizers जो मुझे बहुत matte finish दे, बहुत hydrating finish दे, लेकिन बिल्कुल भी face को oily ना बनाए. And another important thing which I want to mention is that once you buy this product, you need to forget about buying moisturizers for so many months, because this contains a lot of product, guys. It has 125 ml of the product. So in my opinion, this is just an amazing moisturizer. It's super affordable and you get a lot of quantity as well. So this is just a thumbs up from my side, and this is my first recommendation. My second recommendation is from this brand called Sugandha, and this is a made in India brand, and this contains White Lotus. So this is a White Lotus moisturizer, and this contains White Lotus extracts. It contains 3% niacinamide. It also contains hyaluronic acid and panthenol. So hyaluronic acid basically makes your skin super plump and super soft to touch, and also niacinamide is amazing to reduce inflammation over your face, to calm down your skin. And it also has White Lotus extract, which is amazing for your, especially for oily skin people. This is amazing. This is for oily and combination skin people, and I have combination skin, and this just works amazingly on my skin. This gives a very oil-free look. You will not even feel like you've applied anything, but your face will not feel dry. It will feel super hydrated and super nourished. So this is something, this has magic in it. I don't know how, but it just makes my face look so nourished and not even a single amount of oiliness on my face. And this comes with a glass packaging like this one, and also has a pump packaging, so it makes it very easy to take out the product. And yeah, this is just a very cute bottle to use and a very amazing moisturizer to try out. Although this is not under affordable category, if I say so. This comes for rupees 700 plus or 800 rupees, which is, I think, not too affordable. But looking at the quality and how it makes your skin look like or feel like, this is an amazing moisturizer, and highly recommended from my side for oily and combination skin. You definitely need to buy this, and I'm going to repurchase this now because I'm out of this moisturizer. And yeah, I'm just really loving the results of this moisturizer. And now coming to my third recommendation, and this is something that I have recently discovered. This is from the Natural Wash. It's the Face Moisturizing Gel Cream, and it has green tea, cucumber, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. And this is for all skin types, and this is oil free, soft and hydrated. It really makes your face oil free, guys. This is a gel based formula, so even if you look at the texture, you will feel like you're applying some jelly on your skin, and it just gets absorbed super quickly into your skin as soon as you apply it, and you just massage your skin and it is into your skin. It makes your face look super hydrated, and this gives, of course, this also gives oil free and non-greasy look, but it makes your face look hydrated as well. Your skin feels glowy and looks glowy as well. So I'm really loving the consistency of this product, and because it has green tea, so it also calms down your skin and you really feel very nice. So when I'm in no mood to apply anything, मुझे कुछ भी लगाने का मन नहीं है, मैंने just face wash किया है, then I go for this moisturizer. उसको उठाती हूँ, थोड़ा सा लगा लेती हूँ, my skin feels super calm and super light weighted. So yeah, this is an amazing moisturizer, and I think it will suit for all skin type. Now coming to my fourth recommendation, and it is from Mamaearth. This is the apple cider vinegar oil free face moisturizer, and although on the packaging it says that this is for acne prone skin, but in my opinion it will suit each and every skin type, from dry to normal and normal to oily skin type, because the formulation is extremely light weighted and it gets absorbed also super quickly into your skin. It hydrates your skin as well, And mainly I wanted to talk about this product because of the packaging, because of the size. This is such a tiny bottle, guys, and it comes in this tube packaging. You can easily take it out and you can use the product. And this moisturizer just sits in my bag all the time because this is my traveling moisturizer. I don't carry any other moisturizer whenever I'm traveling to some place. I just keep this in my bag all the time and I use it because I think because of the tube packaging and how sleek it is, it doesn't take much space, and it's an amazing moisturizer to try. So yeah, this is all about my fourth recommendation. Now coming to my fifth and last recommendation, and this is specifically for people who have oily and combination skin, or people who sweat a lot, or people who have excess amount of oil on their face. This is specifically for you guys. So this is the Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer, and it really is a mattifying moisturizer because the consistency of this is very liquidy. It's very gel based. Once you apply it, it is into your skin like a liquid. It just penetrates deep into your skin, and this is just an amazing moisturizer if you sweat a lot, as I said, or if you have excess oil on your face. And yeah, I have finished 2 bottles of this, and I think this is my 3rd bottle, and abhi iske andar bahut sara bacha hai, maine use nahi kiya hai, but I think this is an amazing moisturizer for that. It comes in this tube packaging. You can easily take out your product, and also अगर आप बाहर हो ना, आपको moisturizer reapply करना है, क्योंकि normally क्या होता है कि thick consistency वाले moisturizers हम बाहर use नहीं कर पाते whenever we are playing out in the sun or whenever we are out in the sun. If we wash our face and we want to apply a moisturizer which is amazingly lightweighted and just like water, then you can go for this moisturizer for that, and this will instantly hydrate your skin. Your skin will feel super light and super amazing. So yeah, this is my 5th recommendation, especially for people who go out or who play out or who have excess oil or sweat on their face. This will just take care of your skin. So this is all about my top 5 recommendations or top 5 moisturizers, and I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.